is a project called Stejlepladsen. It's under construction at the moment. It was a competition that we won. And in a way, it's a bit interesting because it looks messy. And that's the whole point with this. There used to be this messy area here, which is kind of a self-grown fishing village. And then the city decided to develop this land because they're selling public land to pay for the metro of Copenhagen. That's a business strategy that they have been working with for many, many years. And when we started this project, the people down there, they had these huge banners saying, we don't want any new construction in this area. And the people were super angry that we were going to build in this area. So we tried to think of a way to create something which could kind of connect to these areas instead of trying to make something that faced away from them. This was the existing area down there today. It's hard to believe that we actually have these kind of areas in Copenhagen. We had a Brazilian architect at our office working in this area at that moment, and he thought it looked like a favela and thought that we should just demolish everything. But we said, no. There's actually some quality here. So we investigated how these areas that are there already are actually super interesting in this way that they're kind of a labyrinth, and they have their kind of small private spaces in between the buildings. And we tried to merge that into our housing blocks. This is kind of the traditional housing blocks of Copenhagen. And then we said, well, we need to create these, to break it up completely and make small pockets in between where people can actually meet. And then we take all the cars out of this area and we give them this possibility of bringing the public life right out into the spaces in between the buildings. So now it's under construction, and it will definitely be very, very different than any other community in Copenhagen. This is a student housing project that is also being built right now that we have designed in that master plan. We designed the master plan first.